Yep. So some of you may or may not have heard that the Customs and Border Patrol and its leader, Gregory Bovino, are back in Chicago as of this morning. We were not given any notice by them, and they seem to already be deploying again with masks and unmarked cars and SUVs into neighborhoods. They call it enforcement, we call it harassment, but we don't know how long they'll stay. It appears that they're here for at least a couple of days, if not longer. So I encourage everyone who can hear me to do as you have, because frankly I'm very proud of the way that Illinoisans have reacted to CBP and ICE, and that's in pulling out your whistles and your phones, video everything, posted online. We have an Illinois Accountability Commission that is now taking testimony, has a hearing on Thursday. I invite Gregory Bovino to testify at the Illinois Accountability Commission. He has some questions that he needs to answer for, and we'll move forward as we need to protect the people of Illinois. How different a place are we in was the question than we were a few months ago on this topic of CBP and ICE invading our city. Look, now have laws in place that are helpful for protecting people in certain locations across the city and state. And we also have a population that knows how to react when their community is being invaded, and we've seen people step up. I'm so proud of the people of Illinois for doing as they have, which is to protect their neighborhoods and their neighbors, to do the right thing. And so I think we're in a much better position. We've won some court cases that have demanded things like the members of Customs and Border Patrol and ICE having to identify themselves, even though they're wearing masks, and what agency they belong to when they're approaching people and detaining them. There are other restrictions that have been put in place. Some of this is still in the court systems and running through appeals courts and up to the Supreme Court, so we don't know what the final results on some of these things will be, but we're much better off than we were back in August when this began.